Hi, ESL families. It's Mrs. Sokup, and I just wanted to remind you how you can translate a newsletter that comes in your email. When you get the Wednesday Word or another newsletter from Mrs. Blevins, after you open it, click on View in your browser, and over here you can translate the newsletter. And you can pick your language. So let's translate this to Spanish. And then my newsletter is translated for me. I can also go back to the original. I'll have English, and I can choose my language again. Hope this helps, and as always, if you have questions, you can contact the Sunflower School office, or you can contact Mrs. Buselt or myself.